Hi there and welcome to my presentation. I joined CGL in the beginning of April and I had less time to work on my project. And that's why I asked to let me continue illustrations for my non-existent comic series. I really hope the world will see it someday. So my goal was to dive into this story and add some compositional illustrations to my portfolio, because now I mainly have just characters' portraits there. That's why I wanted to fill that gap. So I was really inspired by Minxian Chen, I'm sorry if I spell it wrong, I'll write it somewhere, and Johannes Voss artworks, not just because of their art level, but also because of that storytelling part I'm interested in. I already had character designs, plots for illustrations and settings. I wanted to draw 3 illustrations with my fellows, where they are gambling, fiercely fighting, and relaxing near the bonfire. I made some rough black and white and liner sketches. Then I focused on gambling scene first and started detailing. So the main character, her name is Silva by the way, definitely wins. I can tell that she was playing honestly though. Her rivals are frustrated, and a blondie boy who accompanies Ilva worried that man can attack and he's getting a sword ready. When I move to coloring, I usually start with black and white light map, where the hard light and some shadows are shown, and then I color it with different layer modes. When I have the basic color gamma and light sources, I move to detailing main characters, who are the focus point. Then I add background and other characters. I'm not that good in 3D, but I use it sometimes to check perspective or set the scene. I did so now. And here comes a huge rendering part. I used perspective grid a lot, added some chairs in the foreground, and well, that's it. And now let's move to the next illustration. Here I wanted to make a dynamic fighting scene. Ilva is a focus point again. She's kinda a magician who transfers her powers via a metallic chain she's holding in her hands. Here I didn't make a proper line art and I regretted that a lot. Our teachers in Ukrainian Fine Arts Academy always told that the drawing is a main part in the painting, but I never really listened to them, my bad. Then I made this super fast terrifying drawing and blocked out basic shapes. Then just some weeks of rendering and bam, here we go. I still want to add some final touches to these pictures, and then I'll make the third illustration someday. Thanks for your attention.